Guys, everybody should complete the practical part. Okay, so everybody should complete the practicals. Okay, if you have any doubt or anything, please ask us. Okay, so next one is compulsory do the practical part. Okay, so if you are unable to do it, we'll give you a lot of idea. If you are unable to install it, or you have got some booty issues or a terminal issues, there are a lot of solutions are available online. Also, you can able to do it. Docker, through Docker also you can able to do it. Okay, so there is a lot of facilities are there to practice. Okay, no need to be stick to that GI mod. We need only GI mod, then only we can learn it. That's it's up to you only, because it is like that. So the environment, you have to be comfortable with any kind of environment. Okay, okay, so here it is. First one is a link. What is this linking? We'll see here it is. Guys, link is like a link to a file, to file, link a file to other file, file to file, simply see, or a directory to, or a folder to directory, like that. So what is, you can understand by linking? It's simply like a shortcut, like a shortcut. It's like a shortcut, but not always. But not always. There is a differences are there. So linking a file means when you are accessing a file, and you put a data in a file, the same replications is there in another file also. It is like that. So don't worry. So we don't go with more explanation. This. See, look at, I created a file. How to create a file? Okay, chat. So I'm creating a O file one. It's like a original file. Okay. So just for example, I put a original name is original only. I created a file and I put a, this is original file. Okay, like this. I created a file. Next step. This is original file. Then okay. How to easily explain that is, paint is better. See. So I created a original file. See, look at original. I created a original file means main file. Main file. What are the name? It's a main file. It is original file. Now I created a file is hard link file. In a link there is a two types. This is hard link. Okay. I created a hard link file. So I put a name of the file is hard link file. Okay, I created a hard link file. It is, this is original file and this is hard link file. So what is the link? There is a link between this original file and hard link file. If you added data here, the same data will be added here. If you add some line here, same line will be added here. It means it's just like a connected Xerox copy. So whatever the changes occur here, same changes will occur here also. Same changes occurs here also. That is called a link file. And this, that too, this is hard link file. Next, another type of link file is soft link file. Another type of link is soft link. Okay, so I am going to create a soft link file here on a original one. I put a name is soft link file. Okay, So there is a two type of link files: hard link file, soft link. There is two type of links: hard link and soft link. So basically link means if you change anything in a original file, same changes occur hard link and as well as a soft link also. For example, I added data in a soft link file, same changes we can see in a hard link and original file. If you change something in your hard link file, same thing we can view from the original file and soft link file. Understand? Can I tell again? Yes, sir. Very good. Link means connectivity. Link means connectivity. So I created a original file. I created a original file. Using original file, I created a two things. On original file, I link the original file to two things. One is hard link file, another is a soft link file. These are a newly created. It will create automatically. You don't need to create anything. Yeah, it will create automatically by giving a command. Okay. So there is a link between original file to hard link file, original file to your soft link file. Okay. Whenever I made some changes in the original file, same changes you can see here also. Same changes. Like I add a line, same line will be added here. Same line will be added here. If I delete a line here, the same changes we can view from it. Very good. We can say like that, like a mirroring type. Okay. So what are the changes occur in a original file? Same changes will happen here also because of the link. Then what is the difference between this hard link and soft link? What is the difference between hard link and soft link? By both are there, both are doing same thing. So okay, so we'll see. So what is the difference between this original file and a hard link file? So we'll see. This is a compulsory question, guys. What is the difference between hard link and soft link? It's a most common question in any interview, mainly in a mock interviews. Okay, so we'll see the original file. Next, hard link file. Next one is soft link file. Okay, so here it is. For example, original file size is 100K. Okay, soft link file size is also 100K. Okay, is also 100K. Soft link file, it will show something like a 6K because it's a shortcut. Actually, soft link file is like a shortcut. Hard link file is like a duplicate file. For example, you add more data. Now it has become 200K. Now your hard link become 200K and soft link is 6K only. The size of the soft link like that. So size of the shortcut file, whatever it is. Sometimes 3K, 4K it will shows. It is like that only. So remember that one. The size of the original file increases, hard link file also increases, but soft link always same size only. Always same size only. Okay. So this is one important difference. Okay. Next, hard link file is like a duplicate file, like a duplicate. Soft link file is like a shortcut file. It's like a shortcut file. So what is a duplicate? Like you have a extra copy or a Xerox copy or like that. Okay. you have an extra copy. For example, like I have a data and I copied the data and paste into some different location. Okay, I have two copies with the different names. Okay, if I delete my original file, hard link files remains. No problem. You can able to read the hard link file. It is invalid because original file is connected to your shortcut, your soft link file like a shortcut, and if original file is deleted, your soft link become invalid. Soft link become invalid. Inode table, as for inode table. Okay. Um, okay. I have to tell about inode table also. Then I will tell it, no problem. Okay. So these are a very big lengthy classes. Example, inode table number. I will explain the inode table number. Okay, no problem. So don't worry about it. For example, it is showing like this, and hard link file is also showing like this only. But soft link file it will show like this. Okay, if you create immediately, I will explain what is inode table. No problem. Okay, but understand same number to represent like a same number. So again, original file, hard link file, soft link file. What is this link files? There is a link between your original file to hard link file, okay, and original file to soft link file. We can create this thing. I will show you how to create it. Okay. Next. So what I told, whenever you add a data to original file or a hard link file or a soft link file, so same data we can view from other files also. Okay, same data, same thing. So all three files are like a same data, they maintain same data only. Okay, but what is the difference between hard link and soft link? When original file increases, size increases. Okay, okay, sorry, original and hard link file has the same size, soft link is a different size, like a shortcut size only. Okay, if original file size increases, hard link file also size increases, and soft link, no, it is like a, as a earlier how much size it is showing, still it is showing like that only. Hard link file is like a duplicate file to original file. Soft link file is a shortcut file to original file. Okay, if you delete the original file, the hard link file still available, you can able to read the data. Soft link file is invalid. Invalid means no shortcut is won't work here. Next one is inode table. What is this inode table? I told I will explain. Okay, the inode table number is same for original and hard link file, and soft link file it is different. Okay, so I will explain now what is inode table and how to view the virtual data is a different concept. So don't link to that one to here. It is like a shortcut. Soft link is, very simply say, it is a shortcut, nothing but a shortcut. See, this is a shortcut, right? One second, see. Can you see this shortcut? To phone shortcut. If I open this folder on my desktop, it is open F drive to phone. Data is somewhere, but shortcut is located here. If I delete my original file, it is become invalid. It is become invalid. For example, this is a folder. It is not a shortcut. I open this one. It has a data. That's it. No shortcut, nothing. Okay. It's storing in my desktop only. See, data stores in my desktop only. But originally, this is data is not storing in my desktop. It's storing in somewhere else. It's just a shortcut only. Same as like that. Even there, these are we are all having a shortcuts on a system, but application is in different location. These are all shortcuts only. This is direct data. These are all direct data stored on my desktop, but some are shortcuts on my desktop. Even this shortcut folder having lot of shortcuts in it. Yeah.
Sir, if any changes in soft link file?
Hmm.
Then it will be affect to original files. Huh?
Yes, it will affect on a original file. Same thing. Like it is shortcut means you open this one or that one, both are same. So practically how to do it? Practically how to do it? So we'll see it. The command is ln command. Ln command. First of all, I created a original file. Remember? Now I'm creating a hard link file. I'm creating a hard link file. So how to create hard link file? Ln. So for example, original hard link. This is hard link file creation. How to create a soft link? Create a soft link file. Ln space hyphen s hyphen s. Soft link only having a option. Okay. Hyphen s. Original and soft link. Okay. Next, how to check it? Ls space hyphen l, ls space hyphen il. Use both the things. Okay. Next, practically, I'm going to do it. So I didn't add that differences hard link and soft link. Okay. Um, there is a types types. Okay. So one is hard link, another one is soft link. I will explain what is the differences and inode values. Just look at what is the practical way how to do it. Guys, first of all, you have to create, take the what are the files are existing files. Okay. Now I'm going to create a new file that is cat greater than OF1 or a O file 1. O file means original file. O file means original file 1. So I put a this is O file 1. Okay, I put a line control D cat O file 1. So next, I want to create hard link file. How to create O file 1, H file 1. H file 1 means hard link file. Remember guys, the file should not be exist earlier. This file should not be exist earlier. Okay, some people are trying to put like a O file 1, file 2, file 3 like that. No, the file should not be exist earlier. It will create a new file. Link is happened. Link is happened. ls space hyphen il question mark file 1. Why put a question mark? For getting only these two apply. So it is 90 is a inode value, 15 is a size, and both will maintain same kind of stuff. Okay, the time and date time everything is same. Now ln space hyphen s o file 1 s file 1 s file 1 also not there earlier. Soft link file hyphen s soft link file. Now again verify. See here it is. You can find the difference between these two things. See here it is. It is showing same set, but it is showing here different. What is L represent? L represent link. L represent link. And this is a size 15, but size is 6 here. Size is 6 here. And S file 1, and there is a point showing like this. S file 1 point showing like this. What is this meaning? It is a shortcut. Okay. S file 1 is connected to O file 1. Now we'll see again. Cat H file 1. Which data? Same as original file data. S file 1. Same data. Now I'm putting cat double greater H file 1. This is H file 1. File. Added. Now I'm looking from S file 1. The data is added to H file 1, but I'm checking S file 1. Now the data is there. For example, cat double crater S file 1. But this is S file 1 something. Now I'm checking O file 1. Same data, O file 1, H file 1, S file 1. What are the file it is? All these three files having same data. All these three files having same data.
What is 1996? It is inode value.
It is a inode value. Correct. It is a inode value. Okay, this is how we can able to create a shortcut and this one. But verification is there now. So already I showed one verification. So remaining verification differences between soft link and hard link will see. Link already I told like a so add some data to the file and verify can you is it from other files like I add a data to S file 1 and verify with the other files also same data they are maintaining. Okay, same data they are maintaining. See, I added data to H file 1 but I'm checking with S file 1, automatically the new data is added. Now the differences. Go to the differences. How to go to check the ls space hyphen il. I will explain the inode. Okay, don't worry. Okay, sorry, I given this now, so it is coming very big list. I'm giving only question mark file one. Okay, now only we can see this thing. Yes, if you remember, the size of the H file one, O file one is 15, and S file one is 6 only earlier. Now I added some lines. I added some lines. The size of the file increases, right? File of the size is increases. Du O file one. Okay, it is showing for only. It is always shows like that only. Okay, bytes. So can you see the size of the file? O file one is 55. Now H file also same. H file is also same. But if you check with the S file, it is a different. The size of the file for original file and hard link file are same. Size of the original file and hard link file is same. But
If we delete,
this is 6 on. Yeah.
if we delete an original file, hard link file, that will be there permanent, sir, or like bin it will be deleted after 30 days, like that, sir.
No, no,
The
no.
hard.
It will be there. It will be there as a normal file only. Okay. Very good. Okay. So we will delete now. So, but only one thing is look at the soft link file. So it represent like a link. Date and time is also changed. See, same both will maintain a last modification date and time. Both maintain last modification date and time. Both maintain the permission set all same only. But if you see soft link file, the last modification date is showing old one. Okay, when it is created. Next, this is uh, earlier also 6. Now also it is showing 6 only. Size is showing 6 only, and it is showing S file 1 is linked to O file 1. This kind of information also showing. Next, the in inode value is 9090 for O file 1 and H file 1, and 96 for a S file 1. So different for a S file 1. means soft link. So that is the difference. So what are the differences? Original file, hard link file, same size, same last date modification, okay, and same inode value. Soft link file is linked to the original file, and date modification is little different, and the size is as always the same as soft link file size only. Okay, it not size won't increases with your original file. Size is not changing with the original file, and inode value is different from original file. Inode value is different from original file. So that is the main differences.
It can be linked to soft link file to hard link file, sir. If original file deleted, we can give a shortcut
That
to
then it
hard
is
link.
become another like you are creating a soft link to your hard link, means you deleted a original file, now hard link file is there, now you are linking to hard link to soft link. Like that you can create another soft link file. Like that you can do it. We can do it. So we can Linux you can. So, okay, same command is same, but it won't automatically link. It won't automatically link. So if you want to create a soft link file for your hard link h file one, you can create it. Okay, yes. So that is the differences. Like a final test, if you delete, if I delete a original file, what happened to your hard link file and a soft link file? How to delete a file? How to delete a file?
RM file 1.
Oh, file one, I'm deleting original file. I'm deleting original file rm. Oh, file one, it's not asking any question. So same thing, the original file is gone, hard link file is there, soft link. So can you observe the difference here to here? Soft link, it is become highlighted like this red, the black, red kind of stuff, highlightation. Okay, cat h file one, data is there in h file one. Cat yes file one, no such a file or directory because it's a invalid, because of hard link file, sorry, because of original file is not there, automatically soft link is become invalid. Guys understand the practical?
Yes, sir. Sir, why soft link file is executable?
It's showing executable, right? Yeah, very good. Yeah. Like we are opening that file, it is not a, it won't run anything because it's connecting. So like a folder, you are open a folder, just it has to be execute and we can label look at in the folder. It's like here it is connecting to something, so it is showing like that. Okay, you can create a soft links for directories also. Of course that's a different kinds, that same commands only. But what is your question is very good question is, why soft link file is showing a x kind of stuff? Because it's a, we are opening it, executing your soft link file to go to see the content of original file. Actually soft link file don't store any data. Soft link file don't store any data, it is linked to the original file. So when you are open as soft link file, it opens and it opens the original file content only. Okay,
Means there is some hidden commands that opens the original file.
yes, there it is a, it's like a, every command is scripted inside. You want to know what is the uh, script inside a command, you can get to know like where all the commands are stored. Anyone? Which directory? Bin, array has been. Bin stores all regular commands. Has been stores all admin commands. Has been. Okay. We can look at ls space hyphen slash. Sorry, ls space slash bin. This is the bin and has been. Bin has been. So okay, ls space sorry slash bin. These are all commands only. Which command you want it? I can open it. Passwd is a command. Okay, this is the command. You want to read it? How to read? For example, less like this. The binary file. So we can't understand what it is there. It's inside that file. It is there is a script. When you open this passwd, it run as that like that only. Okay. Where are we? This is last. Okay, compulsory. Do this practical, guys. And here I am going to tell again. So what is the difference between hard link and soft link? Differences. Okay. Initially, you can access file or a directory contain from any of file means original, soft link and hard link. Okay, next. What is a hard link file? So what is the difference? Same size as original file. Okay, not same. And also soft link has different size. Always same size. So you should properly understand why practically. Okay, so check it. Okay, next. Original file deleted. Original file deleted. Hard link file remains. Actually, you have to write like this. So just like before I written now, so like that only you have to uh, do that also. Okay. In this scenario, original file deleted, soft link file invalid. Okay. Same inode number, different inode number. Okay. So picture is also there. Like a picture is quite easy. Like original file size increases, hard link file increases, size increases. Okay. Soft link file is always same as earlier also. Okay. Next, it is like a duplicate file. Okay. Duplicate are the same copy type. It is like a shortcut file. It is like a shortcut file. So this is the things. Here it is the inode. So I will explain the inode here also. Here only. So without changing the topic. Okay. Now only I will tell what is this inode. Guys, already I told, read the a PDF which is I forward to you, but I don't know when where it is went. So we'll see that one once again. Understand? Guys, okay. What is this inode? I will write here only. Enter your data stores in a Linux in the form of, okay. Enter your data stores in your file in your Linux system in a file wise only. It stores in a file wise only. It is like a your storage. I have to search for that PDF. That's PDF having good one. Okay. So this is having a different parts. Okay. The first part we call it as a boot block. Okay. This is your disk only. This is your disk, your file system only internally. It's a boot block, super block. Okay. Boot block, super block, like that it is there. So there is a small block is there. So that is called inode block. Okay. So only two parts I will tell. So instead of going explaining everything, so only two parts I will tell. One is inode block, and one is data block. Data stores in data block. Okay, guys, it's completely core internal part. So do not think it is like, yes, sir, we know Windows, we know this one, we don't understand this one. Yes, because it is going to kernel part. Okay, this is completely kernel related. Okay, but to explain inode, I have to go to that one compulsory. See, here it is. Guys, remember, think like this. Data block means data store there. Data is stores in a data block. It is nothing a block only. It is just a block only. Okay. It is means, for example, you went to a library. You went to a library. In a library, what are there? Books are there in a different blocks, right? History, architecture, maybe just scientific, or maybe it's related poetry, language base, right? So different places, different books are there. Okay, I have a register. In the register I put a where is the book, when is the book, from which author of the book. Okay, which block the book is having. Okay, that information is there in my register. What I told a story, you went to your library, you want a book. What to do? Go to the registry, search for the title of the book or a type of the book, go by block. Okay, it is belongs to history, and it is belongs to history in that one. It is not 90s history, it is 19th history, it is a 17th century history, and it is belongs to British Empire, or maybe it is belongs to some Indian Empire, or maybe it is belongs to Chinese Empire, or it is some like that. So like we have a lot of details in that book one, so definitely we'll go to reach the book easily. Okay, so data block means where the data is stored, like where the book is stored. Inode block is will tell you about a properties of your file and a storage location of the file also. Properties of the file and storage of the file also. Inode block contains information about files. I'm writing a files only. Why? Because of, sir, inode block does not contains a folders like a directories or commands. Remember, guys, in a Linux, everything is a file only. Even your directory is also a file for a Linux system. It's just for a management only. We can understand it is a directory, it is a file. But for Linux core kernel can understand only one thing is everything is a file only. Okay. So inode block is a contains information about the files in the tables, like different tables it will maintain. Okay, it will maintain the different tables. So like this is the table. Okay, this is a table. For example, a table for a file, certain file. Okay, for a certain file, it is a table. For example, table number 1101 any name you can put it. It's not a binary one, so don't worry. It is like maybe we seen a 93 or maybe 92, table number 92. Yeah, it is like initially Linux is written in C language only. Linux, Unix, C++, written in a C and C++ languages only. Unix is actually developed in assembly language, then Unix is written in a C language. I think first day, first class, I told that one. It's okay, no problem. Okay. This is my inode table number. Remember, 92, for example, 92 is a inode file number. And file name is file 1. File name is file 1. Think like that. And what is this table content? What is the table information content? File name. Okay. Contains name, user ID, group ID. What is user ID, group ID? So where is this? This is user. This is group. They related user ID and group ID. User ID, group ID, permissions, permissions. Okay, ACL information, access control information. So that is normally you are giving a permission. ACL is a different one. Get ACL, set ACL is there. So I didn't told you that one. It is not there in your syllabus. Okay. If you want, I will create another video and I will send to you. Get ACL, FACL. Okay. Permissions, ACL information, size of the file, about a file, size of the file, links to the file, what are the links, hard link, soft link information. Okay, links means about a soft link or a hard link. Okay, the file can be a hard link file or can be a original file or anything, but how many links are there? Okay, how many links are there? Soft link, hard link information, and finally data block information, where the data of this file store, where the data of this file stores. Guys, understand inode value or inode table or inode block. Okay, this block contains tables. Each table is belongs to a particular file. Each table is belongs to a particular file. Okay, each table is belongs to particular file. Next, each table is belongs to particular file. Next, what is this table contain? Name of the file, user ID, group ID. We forget some more things. Date and time. I given a date and time, but actually say last modification date and time. Last modify date and time. Okay, last modify. Just last modify is enough. I put a last modify date and time, size. Okay, I've written a size, links, okay, links, permissions, read and write permission, read and write execute permissions on it. Okay, these are the things. Very simply say, what are the things you are seeing here? Permissions, link counters, um, user ID, group ID, size of the file, last modification, and file name. Okay, so those information stores in a inode table. Guys, understand? Inode table. What is a inode table?
Stores the properties of files.
Here we simply say properties of your file or a directory or anything in the system. Their properties will stores in the inode tables. So each file or a directory is having a separate inode tables. Okay, separate inode tables. Each having a separate inode table. The number represent table number. Okay, in the table contains information about file or directory. So what is the information? Names, user id, group id, permission, links. Very simple. If you understand this thing, at least you can able to tell last modification date, size, group, user, permissions. At least you can able to tell these things. And what is this data block? Actually in your hard disk, like these are all in your hard disk only. Okay, these are all, everything is in a hard disk partitions only, right? So data stores, the files data store in data block, information in the inode block. File data stores in data block. Okay, information stores in inode block. Okay, so where the data is stored, that information also, which data block, which number of the data block, that number will be there, data block number. So where it is stored. So this is about inode. So these are very important things in your interview also, basically any interview. So inode, I put inode block has inode tables contain inode table contains information of file files. A inode table. A information of a file. So what information? Name of the file, user id, group id, last modify date and time, last modify date and time, size of the file, size of the file, permission set, permissions, okay, read and write permissions, ACL information, any any other things, data block information. This is why this smart sound. Okay, so compulsory check it. How to check the inode value? How to check the inode value? ls space hyphen I, or you can use ls space hyphen il. You want to get in a list manner like this. ls space hyphen I. I represent inode value. See, every file has a different type of inaudible, including directories. Some are very big, some are smaller, like that. Guys, understand inode value and a hard link and soft link.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. So what's the time now?